Yeah guys, this is a Samsung microwave. I just want to make one thing clear, because some people, when they bypass the fuse, that's what they do there. That's a fuse. They put a foil. Don't put a foil there. Here, they put the foil. That's very dangerous, because when something happens on a microwave, the fuse must explode so that it can protect you. So now when you put this, that means there will be more damage when something happens inside the microwave, because your fuse can't even blow. Sometimes fuse blows to protect you. So when you do this now, put this foil, it can't even. I really hate this. I don't know why people keep on putting foils.